Alright guys, time for another video. Today is going to be a different kind of video, hardware related video. So if you're not really into hardware stuff, fixing PCBs and stuff, you might want to skip this. Okay, just wanted to tell you all of you lot about this new repair tool I've got. I bought this quite a long time ago. I'd say about 6 months ago. Used it maybe about 30 times. Well, I've used it to fix 30 PCBs. Could have done a lot more. It's just that I've been busy working. For those that don't know what it is, which probably most of you, it's called a slicer. It's made by Aaron or Gadgetfreak on UK VAC. Basically what it is it's an in-circuit IC tester. It does a whole load of other stuff as well. I mean, it tests RAMs, ROMs, PROMs, but I mainly use it for in-circuit TTL testing. Okay, I'll put a link in the video to more information about it, but just to demonstrate what it can do, I would need to find a PCB to work on. Okay, let's pick a this is my pile of mostly broken PCBs. The ones in the core stack boxes aren't broken, but sort of like all this. Someone sent me this box. I've not even opened it yet. Let's see what's in here. It looks like one of Fred's deflection kit. That's not broken. Just need to fix it. Okay. No. I've fixed those already. How about this one? This looks like a main PC. Doesn't need fixing. I think that belongs to this. What's this one? Yeah, let's have a look at this one. I'm not sure what it is. Just a second, I need to put the phone down. Okay, it turns out it is a Jailbreak Pcb. I remember who sent this to me. Cool chap. He said, I think there's graphic sprites or something in those lines that is wrong with it, but it's not JAMA, so I need to find a JAMA adapter for it. It should be Konami Classic. Just double check. Yep, it says Jailbreak right there. Okay, need to put the phone down while I connect all this together. Just a second. Okay, yeah, all I did was just connect that together. It's time to power her up. Before I do that, I'll just do a quick visual inspection, make sure everything is in place and where it should be. Yep, all the EPROMs look like they're in position. Solder side looks fine. Okay, let's switch on and see what's wrong with her. RAM, everything checks fine. Jailbreak. I can see it. It's sort of like a background tile issue, and it's just reset it. Okay, so something's wrong with either the program code, and it looks like one portion of the RAM. Could be a load of things, but I would probably look at program RAMs and anything in between, really. And then we'll fix the graphics glitch first, and then hopefully that should fix the resetting issue. If not, then we'll adjust that later, but I would probably go ahead and fix the graphics glitch first. Okay, firstly I would need to test all these EPROMs to see if any of them are faulty. I won't do that live. I'll probably pause the video and then come back, but it takes about 20 minutes to test all these in the EP1 burner. This looks like a sound chip, some CPU. I believe it could be a Z80 or some sort. I'm not sure whether that actually controls just the sound, or does that control the these looks like program ROMs, these looks like graphics and foreground sprites. All those ROMs are probably on here. I'm guessing, or I'd guess. There's 4 banks of 4416 RAM along here. 4416, is it? Yeah, it says 4416 there. Was that 64-bit RAM? I'm not sure if I've got some loose, but yeah, I will use the slicer to test those, but first I need to check if these all registers fine in main. So I need to pause the video 1 second. Okay, I've gone and verified all these and they all check out fine. So it's got nothing to do with these, so it's got to be I believe, if I remember correctly, these were the program ROMs, and as I said, these were the graphics ROMs. If these are the graphics ROMs, these are probably the RAM for the graphics. So I'm gonna go and check these out first. Okay, now this is the user interface for the slicer. I'm not sure you can see it, but you can test for TTL. You can test for RAM and PROM. I need to test RAM, and I need to select the right RAM for it. 4464. Nope, 4416 it should be. 4416. Which is that anyway. 4416, 4464 is the same bloody thing. Okay, this diagram tells you, once you select the RAM, it tells you what each pin of that IC does. Okay, and it will correspond to the IC in question. So it comes with a clip and a ground pin, so I would need to connect the ground pin to the closest ground, probably Let's go for this LS273. Here we go. Just clip it in, and then let's test the RAM one by one. So I'm gonna do this live, so let's clip that in. Sometimes you have to rock the clip to get it secure. Okay, first thing you want to do is do a float check. That basically tells you if the clip is touching the pin on the IC correctly. As you can see, it's all 0, which means it's got a good connection to the IC. And then you can do a sample period, 10 milliseconds, 25 milliseconds. I'm going to go for 25. You can do just one sample, you can have it cycled through to 50. I'm not going to do 50, I'm going to do sort of like 25 samples, and then you just press sample and it will sample each of the, every cycle it will test the RAM chip for 25 cycles, and it will halt if there is an error in one of those cycles and the results has passed for that particular RAM chip. Yeah, you can actually create a project and save that data that you've just sampled for further referencing, but I don't need to. Okay, time to test another one. Oh look, some of the graphics have sort of gone and gone back to normal. Okay, I'm gonna go test the next one. Clip that in. Again, what I want to do is a float check, and that is pretty much reasonable. 7%, which means it's sort of like 93% touching, which is good enough. Okay, I'm going to run a sample again. You can actually usually there's a memory view. I actually see the memory, but it seems to be grayed out for some reason. I still need to read the manual, which I haven't done yet. So this, I'm just basically going through all the easy things anybody could do with it, and it looks like it's passed again. Okay, so there's 4 RAM chips here, so I'll go and test the next one. Oh, it looks like it's cleared up as soon as I stuck it on that one. There is some glitchiness on that top bit, but most of the gel bars have gone. They're still sort of character gel bars. Anyway, let's do a sample and see what happens. Ah, it's failed already. Let's go memory view, and it's every sort of line which kind of shows on the actual screen is lines. When you get lines, it's usually bad RAM, and it's all cleared up again for some reason. There's still sprites, dodgy sprites, but yeah, let's do another sample just in case. Yep, it's triggered. it's sort of trying to, that's the problem with RAM chips. When they're faulty, they still try to survive, sort of thing. Yeah, it's that RAM chip is definitely gone. It needs replacing. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna test the last one as well. Looks like it's cleared up the graphics. I know there's gonna be sprites issues. Yeah, still the sprites have lines going through them. Alright, let's do a float check. And it's all touching reasonably well. Yep, that RAM chip looks good. So yeah, we know we have a RAM issue, which will get rid of those sprites. Jailbreak jailbars. Yes, that has passed. Results. Okay, that one's passed. So yeah, we've got a dead RAM chip. It was that RAM that was responsible, and I'm pretty sure if I change that RAM, it will fix the resetting as well. So is there sound? Let's just double check. Is there sound?
The warden has been taken hostage. Free him, no matter what the cost.
The warden has been taken hostage. Free him, no matter what the cost. That's glitched. Was that supposed to be the car? Yeah. Well, the sound. So I need to check whether I've got a 64-bit RAM. If I don't, then I'll probably just desolder it and socket it and order a new one. Okay, I'm gonna put this on hold while I do that. I check, but while I check, okay, I don't have any of these RAMs, so I'll put one on order. Well, two. One as a spare. They're quite expensive for some reason. Most of them are from China, which I don't trust, and then the others are from the USA, which I'm not paying customs for. So I've put a couple on order and I'll wait for it to come. Let's just mark it as bad so I don't forget. That sucker is bad. Douche. There we go. Right then, sorry I couldn't show you a working one. I'll probably try and make an update one day when it arrives and show you that it's fixed. Let's see, what was the other one? I saw another one in there. Let's see if we can sort something out on that one. Well, it's kindly put a jammer adapter in. Dodgy one. It says Hyper Sports on there.